Once in a while, we get calls from people with questions on how to calculate their supplement intake per head per day. And it's good to know how to do that so you can compare your performance on different supplements. I'll show how to do this here on an Excel spreadsheet. Going to need about 5 columns. The first column will put the number of head that we have in the pasture or that exposed to the supplement. Here I've used 100 head. Next column would be the days that the supplement's available or that it took to consume a known quantity of the supplement. Here I'm going to say 10 days. And then we have head days in the next column, which is just the number of head times the number of days. So 10 times 100 is 1,000. Next column here is the total pounds consumed. I'm going to say 4 250-pound barrels of Crystallix in this situation, so that's 1,000 pounds. Now to calculate the consumption in pounds per head per day, we just divide the total pounds consumed by the head days, which is 1,000 divided by 1,000 is 1 pound. So 1 pound per head per day. This next line I'm going to do a little bit different here. Let's say these 100 head of cows have 400-pound calves with them. Those calves are going to eat some of the Crystallix. How much they're going to eat is maybe a little hard to calculate, but let's just say these 400-pound calves are with 1,200-pound cows. Now that 400 pounds is about a third of 1,200, so I'm going to count each calf as a third of a head. If I had 100 calves there, that'd total up to 33 head. So now instead of 100 head, I've got 133 head. Still using 10 days. My head days is now 1,333, and I'm going to say we still consume that 1,000 pounds in 10 days. And now, as you can see, the consumption is much more typical at 3/4 of a pound per head per day.